This is a Fox 17 Severe Weather Alert.
Yes, indeed. We have been tracking the potential for severe weather this morning across West Michigan. A severe thunderstorm watch in effect across our southern border counties. Widespread heavy rainfall. That's definitely good news after spending much of the last couple of weeks under a moderate to severe drought across most of central and southern lower Michigan. You can see the heaviest of those thunderstorms where there is that lightning embedded from Flint, Saginaw up toward the Bay City areas, and that will continue to track off to the east. A very complicated and dynamic early spring storm system on the horizon, located the center of circulation off to our west, and again here in West Michigan, mostly just a rain event for us. The big story will come through the course of the day, and that is going to be the incredibly strong winds that will be taking over. A high wind advisory in effect until 8 o'clock this evening across much of the lower peninsula. We'll see sustained winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour as we head through the mid to late afternoon hours. So expect blustery conditions across the area from start to finish today. Wet pavement on area roads. A look out over downtown Holland, and temperatures, boy, very mild in the 50s and 60s. A look at yesterday's highs. A couple of records in there. Places like Muskegon at 79 degrees, 81 in Benton Harbor, 76 yesterday for a high in Grand Rapids, Ionia, Lansing over toward Jackson, 76 in Coldwater, 77 in Kalamazoo. Dynamic storm system, a severe weather outlook from the Great Lakes region to the Gulf Coast. Only a couple of times a year do we ever have a high risk of severe weather. This will likely be a historic outbreak of tornadoes from southern Tennessee down into Mississippi and Alabama. If you do happen to be traveling into that area today, be very careful and stay weather aware, as we will see several supercell tornadoes likely developing in this kind of an environment. Here in West Michigan, just a marginal outlook, a level 1 out of 5, and that's going to happen as the secondary batch of showers and thunderstorms rolls in as we head through the late afternoon and early evening hours. Those, again, in most locations will produce nothing more than maybe a rumble of thunder and another batch of locally heavy rainfall. A look at this evening and overnight tonight. Notice this. We've got some colder air wrapping in on the backside of the system, so we're going to actually see some snowflakes across the area late tonight into the day tomorrow. We'll dry out tomorrow afternoon. Monday, St. Patrick's Day, we will actually enjoy some sunshine, especially early in the day, with a little more in the way of cloud cover during the afternoon. So today, morning showers and storms. Another batch may roll in this afternoon. A high wind advisory until 8 o'clock this evening. Winds sustained at 20 to 30 miles per hour, gust to 50 miles per hour. Sharply colder air rolls in for Sunday with, again, a rain-snow combination taking over. And as far as our future cast with the rainfall, great news after what has been such a dry several-week stretch here. We've seen a number of grass fires and brush fires across the area. So, again, this soaking widespread rain is a good bet. Heaviest rain from Ionia and Coldwater, Three Rivers off to the east, but most areas picking up at least a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain as we see the system finally wrap up. Monday, Tuesday, early Wednesday looking dry. Another system coming in Wednesday into Thursday. And then a quick peek at that 8 to 14-day outlook shows the colder air out west. But right through the 4th week of March, much of the country, including the Great Lakes, looking at temperatures above average.